a beautiful cultural evening about to start. Once again, thank you.
Participated in this celebration for our maritime heritage and coastal identity. Thank you very much. Thank you once again. Collector who made lot of initiative and help us to conduct this event, and I also thankful to the senior officials from Indian Navy and the government of Andhra Pradesh, artists, performers, volunteers, media partners, and the vibrant citizens of Visakhapatnam for their enthusiastic participation and prestige to this ceremony. We extend our heartfelt thanks to our Secretary Sir, Port Shipping and Waterways, and renewed encouragement towards promoting tourism and cultural heritage in this state. We gratefully acknowledge the presence of honorable members of Parliament and honorable members of the state
media. ముందుకు రావాల్సిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్. Once again, House Festival, the third edition, was only made possible by all the dignitaries standing right up here. May I hear it louder? Everybody, please put your hands together.
सोनवाल जी, मिनिस्टर साहब, सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर है.
Growing major economy in the world, and as you know, we have got two visions given by Honorable Prime Minister. Now our task is to translate into reality of action. That is why, according to Maritime India Vision 2030, India is going to become one of the top 10 shipbuilding nation in the world by 2030, and by 2047, according to Amrit Kal Vision, we are going to become one of the top 5 shipbuilding nation in the world. To achieve that target, we are developing the ecosystem in the country under the visionary and dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister. Many transformative, exemplary things happening in the country in the last 11 years. Even in this sector also, Ministry of Port Shipping Waterways, these lighthouses, though it was built long time back, but it was not taken care of. It is Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji who has given direction to develop all the lighthouses and develop to that extent with modern facility that it becomes a most attractive tourist destination. So now we are achieving that target, and we are
UN songs, the Chinese athletes, the tourists, they came to India and they wrote about the greatness of India. We have so much to offer to the world, and there is so much knowledge that is available. There is so much beauty that is available. Today we are in Visakhapatnam, the most beautiful city in the country. Most beautiful city is beautiful, and people are dutiful. They do their duty sincerely without hangama. హడావిడి చేయకుండా, హంగామా చేయకుండా, గొడవలు పెట్టుకోకుండా ప్రశాంతంగా అభివృద్ధిగా వైపు అడుగులేసేట ప్రదేశం ఏదైనా ఉందంటే ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో మొట్టమొదటి ప్రదేశం విశాఖపట్నం, ఉత్తరాంధ్ర అని చెప్పని ఈ సందర్భంగా నేను మనం చేస్తున్నాను. మనం విశాఖపట్నం ఒకసారి చూస్తే విశాఖపట్నంలో ప్రేమవరం పడినవాడు ఎవడు ఉండడు. విశాఖపట్నం చూస్తే ఈ నగరాన్ని యొక్క అంద చందాలను చూస్తే, ప్రకృతి సిద్ధమైన రమణీయమైన కమనీయమైన ఈ ప్రదేశాలు చూస్తే ఈ నగరంతో ప్రేమలో పడిన వాడు ఎవడు ఉండడు. నేను ఈ ఊరిలో చదువుకున్నాను, లా చదివాను. ఈ ఊరిలో ఎమర్జెన్సీలో జైల్లో ఉన్నాను 17 నెలల పాటు. 17.5 months I was in jail during emergency in Visakhapatnam. And also I used to extensively travel in the north coast of Andhra Pradesh. It's really beautiful. And the city itself, as I said, it's a dynamic city, it's a happening city. I'm very happy that the Minister Sarvaji has announced that the Maritime University is going to be set up in Visakhapatnam. I'm very happy about it. I would like to thank him also for choosing this rightful location. The friends, these lighthouses used to be like మన పాత రోజుల్లో చెప్పేవాళ్ళు, ఈ లైట్ హౌస్లు ఏంటంటే ఒక దిక్సూచిలాగా పనిచేసాయని చెప్పి. దిక్సూచిలాగా అంటే దిక్కును సూచించే యొక్క పరికరం లాగా ఈ లైట్ హౌస్.
Most respected Sri M. Vaidya, Honorable Vice President of India, respected Sri Kandula Durge leaders, members of the Maritime Fraternity, my dear brothers and sisters of Visakhapatnam.
Edition was only made possible by all the dignitaries standing right up here. May I hear it aloud? क्योंकि यहाँ पे कहा गया है, यहाँ पे मेंशन किया गया है हमारे इंडिया के सबसे प्रिय
India. So that is the way we are proceeding, and we'll have to register our talent.
Of lighthouses, 10 are in Andhra Pradesh itself. Maritime heritage is not just our past as a leading maritime nation. Dear friends, Vikas bhi, Virasat bhi. It is this vision that in the last
And because of their participation and with all your kind cooperation,
in Goa in 2023, and second festival was held in Puri in Orissa in 2024. And now the port city of Visakhapatnam, the gateway to the Bay of Bengal on the eastern seaboard, is an excellent choice for the Lighthouse Festival 2026. Festival will not only prove to be a shot in the arm of the lighthouse tourism, but also deepen collaboration and partnership with all the stakeholders of tourism industry. The center and the state, Sarvan Sonawalji and Kadal Durgesh, and also Dharendra Bhai, and then Chandrababu Naidu, they are working together. These ministries must sit together, discuss and see to it that the tourism is further enhanced and available opportunities are taken care. I am pleased to note that the Lighthouse Festival includes features like mega carnival highlighting regional cultural performances, art and craft markets, and night illumination of the lighthouses, among other things. This lends an interesting dimension to tourism because it promotes local culture and provides an impetus to economic development. As all of you know, Andhra Pradesh has a fascinating local coastal culture rooted in tradition. As in the case of the coastal culture of other states and regions, this is reflected in the cuisine, local habits, cultural facets, and the traditions of places along the coast of Andhra Pradesh. I am glad to note, therefore, that out of 17 lighthouses in AP, 10 have been developed for the promotion of tourism. This initiative will help celebrate local coastal culture as also the branding and promotion of the concept of Lighthouse Festival. And I appeal to the people to join these festivals wherever they are held, whenever they are held, and to promote tourism. Instead of going outside, first let us search inside. What is available in India in various states, let us take the advantage of visiting those places along with family, along with our children, show them the fascinating places in India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Attak to Cuttack. The entire India is a beautiful country. So this beautiful country, tourism has large potential, and if all of us join together for within the country tourism, India will further strengthen and become a strong nation. As I was telling you, India is going to become the third largest economy